Let me show you how I cook this special crayfish food. So this is how I do it. Step 1, feed my cat. Yes, I know you came here for food, human food. But listen, before I step into that kitchen, I must feed my stubborn cat. If I don't feed him, he'll be meowing like he owns the house. Sometimes he even blocks the kitchen door, like no crayfish until I eat first. So I give him food. Peace offering. Deal sealed. Now that I'm free, I head straight to the water. I live close to a small river, so I always like to check first. Sometimes you get lucky and find fresh crayfish just vibing near the edge. I had my bucket, my net, and my good mood. But when I got there, the crayfish I saw looked tired, like they already gave up on life. Not fresh enough. One even looked like it needed therapy. So I said, you know what? Let me not waste time. Let me go to the market. And oh my goodness, the market came through. Just look at this. These crayfish were shiny, alive, fresh, the kind that still tries to pinch you when you're buying it. That's how you know it's real. I pick the best ones. Only the finest make it to my kitchen. I don't do average. I came back home and just stared at them for a minute. They looked too fine to eat. But I said, no sentiment here. It's go time. So I clean them up well, wash them thoroughly, remove any dirt, and get them ready for the pot. But wait, I'm not done. Next stop, ingredient shopping. Yeah, I went back to the market. Cooking crayfish soup isn't just about the crayfish. The ingredients must be on point. I bought onions, fresh pepper, some tomatoes for that subtle base, crayfish spice, yes, crayfish on crayfish, double trouble, seasoning cubes, salt, and my personal favorite, scent leaf. That leaf brings everything together like a good movie ending. You can buy your own choice too, no pressure. But me, I like my flavors bold and loud. Back in the kitchen, I start the cooking process. I boil the crayfish with a little salt and seasoning cubes just to lock in that flavor. The smell already starts calling my name. Even my neighbor shouted, "What are you cooking over there?" I said, "Mind your business unless you're bringing fufu." While the crayfish is doing its thing, I blend my pepper mix. Not too much pepper-o. We want taste, not punishment. Then I heat up a bit of palm oil in a pan, throw in chopped onions and let it fry until the whole place smells like Sunday morning. Time to add the pepper blend. Ah, the sound of sizzling pepper and hot oil. Music to my ears. I stir it well, add a bit of salt, crayfish powder, and let it fry until the oil starts rising to the top. That's when you know it's ready. Then I gently introduce the crayfish into the pot. Gently, oh! This is royalty. I stir it in, let them marry the sauce, let the flavor enter body. After a few minutes, I add water. Not too much, just enough to make it a nice stew or soup depending on what I want. Then I cover the pot and let everything simmer. That's when I sprinkle in the scent leaf. You see that aroma? Heavenly. The entire kitchen smells like victory. I taste it and I nod. Mission complete. And just look at it. Just look at how fine this crayfish food turned out. Hot, spicy, rich, flavorful. I didn't even want to eat it. I just wanted to take pictures. I felt like a chef on TV. So if you've been scared to try this kind of food, don't be. If I can do it, you can too. You don't need a 5-star kitchen or a fancy apron. Just good crayfish, your favorite ingredients, and a hungry belly. And don't forget to feed your cat, or dog, or your neighbor if they've been peeking through the window since you started. Now go try it and tag me when you do.